Every great town has a heart, and in Bowling Green, that heart is Fountain Square Park. Charming local storefronts, great local businesses, and a sense of community you can just feel when you're here. Today I'm going to take you to some of my favorite spots, places that make Bowling Green, and afterwards we're going to tour a beautifully staged home to see how transforming spaces can be done. Join me. Everyone needs a place that makes them feel like $1 million. Let's go check out my favorite, Cedar and Sage. How do I look? You don't have to travel to Europe to get some amazing chocolate. Mary Jane's is home to a chocolatier right here on the square where they make about 90 different chocolates in-house. Let's go inside and try a bourbon truffle. Those chocolates were divine. Let's go check out the next stop. You know what I love about Capital Books? Every dollar sold here goes back to children's reading programs. And you know what goes great with a good book? A cup of coffee. Let's go get my favorite over at Spencer's. We're at Candle Makers on the Square, where they hand pour all their candles sold in the store, and they have cute little artisan items like these 3D printed ornaments that feature landmarks from around Bowling Green. They have handcrafted pottery and all kinds of really cute decor, and so let's check it out. Back Down South's fashions are found online through social media, and it's no wonder they're known nationwide. Now we're at the Meltdown, where they source their dairy and cream here locally, and we're gonna go inside and try some of their homemade ice cream. We've explored the heart of Bowling Green, and now I want to share with you something really special, a beautifully staged modern home. Let's go check it out. Creating a home is all about invoking feeling. And there's no better way to invoke feeling than to set the stage for a perfectly designed home. And this home does exactly that. This isn't just a house, it's an experience. Everything from the furniture placement to the colors on the wall were carefully chosen to make you feel something when you walk in. And that's the power of home staging. The goal of staging isn't just to make the home pretty, it's to help people see themselves here. When a space feels inviting, buyers connect with it. And that's what turns a house into a home. Thank you for joining me on this tour in downtown Bowling Green and an exquisitely staged home. Whether it's envisioning yourself in a new space or envisioning yourself visiting a new business, we welcome you to come and visit everything Bowling Green has to offer. I'm your host, Melissa Albert, and this is The American Dream.